Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires. Today, we've got something really cool on our agenda. How to store your crypto assets in a self-custodial wallet. Okay then, what is a private self-custodial wallet? Surely there must be some pros and cons too. The thing is, blockchains are inherently public, which makes tokens owned by literally any wallet address visible to anyone. On the other hand, a self-custodial wallet is called private for a reason. If you have one, you control the access to these tokens alone. What makes self-custodial wallets cool and unique is that you own the seed phrase, or the private key needed to perform any transactions with this address. And as long as you keep your private key secure, you remain the only one who can control the funds in your wallet, and no third party can access or control those funds. Now, attention! Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that pretty bell to take part in more crypto adventures. See you after reconnecting, happy tapping, and stay as crypto cool as your fan allows you. Tappy deactivated.